Join us as we accompany a step-by-step journey of the age-old ritual of the Turkish Hammam, a traditional steam bath that harmoniously blends Roman, Islamic, and Asian bathing customs. The origins of the hammam date back to the 7th century, with the first hammam in Istanbul constructed 600 years later. An integral part of daily life during the Ottoman Empire, these baths were a fusion of Roman bathing traditions and local customs, evolving into a unique cultural experience that persists in around 60 baths in Istanbul today, with more across Turkey. Our journey begins in the steam room. Enveloped in a warm mist, the man lies on the heated marble, a practice dating back to Ottoman times when hammams mirrored the architecture of mosques. This serene environment is designed for both mental and physical relaxation. As he relaxes in the steam for about 20 minutes, his body benefits from improved circulation and respiratory health, a testament to the hammam's ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. The heat prepares his skin for the next stages, optimizing the therapeutic effects. The attendant now enters and rinses him with water, a ritual cleansing that signifies the transition from the heat to the scrubbing stage. The exfoliating glove, or kise, removes dead skin, promoting a deep and refreshing cleanse, a practice that has been cherished for centuries for its health benefits. Next, the man is enveloped in large soapy bubbles, creating a cloud-like feeling that cleanses the skin. This step, rooted in the hammam's luxurious past, reflects the Ottoman love for ornate and comfortable settings. A speedy and fastidious massage is performed by the expert hands of the attendant for maximum relaxation and heat penetration of the muscles. The rinse that follows is more than a simple wash. It symbolizes the removal of toxins and purification of the body and the mind. The man sits up, and the attendant douses him with cold water, a refreshing conclusion to the cleansing ritual, leaving a few moments of absorption and rest. Drying off marks the end of the physical cleansing process. The hammam's benefits, however, extend beyond the physical. It's a spiritual and cultural cleanse, offering a moment of tranquility in our hectic world. The experience concludes with the man sipping a beverage in a relaxed state in the lobby, embodying the hammam's holistic approach to well-being. The hammam, a sanctuary of healing and serenity, remains a cherished tradition in Turkish culture. It offers a unique blend of historical richness and practical health benefits. The hammam is more than a bath. It's a journey of self-discovery and rejuvenation. Today, the hammam continues to be a place of relaxation and renewal, a bridge connecting the ancient world with our modern lives. It stands as a symbol of cultural heritage and holistic health, a haven for those seeking peace and balance.